Hi guys, today I'm gonna open this black and decker uh, jigsaw. Let's see how it look like inside. Yeah, first thing first, and just take it out this blade. If it's gonna come easier. Yeah, okay. It comes easier right there. So there's how many screws here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. And let's go and start it from this part. Alright. This is here. This is here. This is it. And tougher one. Tough. Okay, this is 2. Let's see. Here you are. Here you are. And, what is this? Okay, this is the switch. Anyway, I think this is this way. No. Anyway, somehow it was working. I forgot how it's working. Now this is the motor. Let's look inside very closely. Right, as you see. Okay, this is gone too. And what we can do, there's a 2 screw here. Hold on a minute. So there's a 3 screws here. 1, 2, 3. And let's go ahead and take it out. One is gone. Second is alright and almost on the way. And third here. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on, you can come out. I think this guy doesn't want to come out, but eventually he will. Alright. So long screw, huh? Whoa, look at this. Oh, really is so long. Look at this. Okay, as you see, like, let's see, is there anything else that we can take it out? Oh, okay, it came itself right there. Hold on a minute. Yeah, so I think this is all about. There is nothing else, right? All right, this is the this is the comes from here. Okay, as you see, this is the motor, engine, whatever you can call. Okay, what else? Nothing else. Nothing else. Yeah, this cable also goes all out. Okay, if you pull, it comes out. Cable is came out. Okay. All right, 3 piece. This is the moving up and down. Yeah, as you see, this is the model that it's called what? 2-speed Jigsaw Black and Decker. So old model. Can check the model too if you can. No, well, it doesn't clear. Okay, it's 7514, I think. This is the one. Okay. Anyway, this is it. This is the guy, and this came from here. Yeah. Now I know. Now I know how they did. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. With another video. See you soon. Bye bye.